Hi everyone. I'm so excited to share with you that our photo archive is finally online and ready for you to explore. So let me show you how to do it. When you go to our homepage at petoskeymuseum.org, you can choose from the Collections tab or the Photo Archive button. And either one of these will take you to our photo archive. Once you're here, you can do a couple of things. You could just browse the pictures as they appear, or you can search for pictures. So I'm going to search for Grand Rapids in Indiana because we know that the Grand Rapids in Indiana station was in Petoskey for many years. And you can see I get lots of hits, and then I can choose to look at the picture in greater detail if I just click on it. So here's the picture. The information that you see listed is the information that was either on the picture or on the accession form. So this particular picture we happen to have a date for, 1895. Some pictures we do not have a date for, and it will say undated. If you are planning to use this for something other than your own personal use, we would ask that you please use the citation that we have here on the right. Now, you might be looking at this picture and thinking, okay, I can see there are some people in the picture, but I can't see them very clearly. Here's the great thing. If you click on the photo, then you can see it even bigger. These are very large files, so it does take a few minutes for them, not a few minutes, but it takes a bit for them to open. Be patient. So now you can see this picture in even greater detail, but guess what? We can zoom in even further. Watch this. Now we can see in awesome detail what the people are wearing, their facial expressions. You can see the detail on the building. Not all of our pictures are of this high quality, but most of them are, and you will just be amazed by what you can see. Now, once I'm here, I can just click the back arrow, which takes me back to the picture, and I can click it again, which takes me back to the list. So I hope you enjoy exploring our photo archive, and we hope to add more photos to this archive in the future. Thank you.